Wix Studio versus Squarespace. Which is the best website builder? Wix Studio and Squarespace are two of the best website builders today, but they serve slightly different audiences. If you're looking for advanced creative control, Wix Studio stands out. It's designed for professionals, freelancers, agencies, and designers who need flexibility, custom code support, responsive design breakpoints, and animations. It might be overwhelming for beginners, but it offers powerful tools for those who know how to use them. Squarespace, on the other hand, remains the go-to platform for those who value simplicity with its polished templates and intuitive interface. It's perfect for small business owners, bloggers, and creatives who want a beautiful site without a steep learning curve. While it doesn't offer the same level of customization as Wix Studio, it excels at delivering elegant functional sites with minimal setup. In terms of features, Wix Studio wins for power users. Squarespace keeps it simple, with solid built-in tools like blogging, e-commerce, and appointment scheduling, great for most day-to-day website needs. When it comes to e-commerce, Wix Studio allows more control over layout, checkout experiences, and product display. Squarespace is more streamlined and easier to manage, but it lacks flexible in terms of customization. For SEO and performance, Wix Studio has stepped up in 2025 with faster page speeds and more advanced SEO options, including structured data and technical settings. Squarespace covers SEO basics well, but doesn't offer as much depth for those who want to go further. As for pricing, Squarespace is generally more budget friendly and transparent, great for solo creators or small teams. Wix Studio, while potentially more expensive, provides more scalability and value for feature hungry users. And the bottom line here, guys, pick Wix Studio if you need deep customization and professional tools. But choose Squarespace if you want a stunning website quickly with less complexity. That is all today, guys. Thank you for watching.